So let's start with number 1. So number 1 is 124 minus blank equals 71. So to find the blank, we need to subtract it. So 124 minus 71. So this is 3, this is 12, and we can cross this out. So this would be 5. So 124 minus 53 equals 71. Let's look at number 3. Number 3 is 525 plus blank equals 811. So to find the blank, we need to subtract 525 from 811. So 800 minus 525, cross out the 1, change it to 11. This is too small, so we change it to 10 and then back to 11. And then this we have to change to a 7. So this 11 minus 5 is 6, 11 minus 2 is 9, and 7 minus 5 is 2. We can always check our answer by adding 525 back to the number to see if we actually get 811. So let's do that. 6 plus 5 is 11. Add that here. 9 plus 2 is 11 plus 1. 12. And add that here. 7 plus 1, 8. So now we can see that we made a mistake here. So we know that we can start again. I made a mistake here purposely, but just so we can check our answer later, this is a way to help you check your answer and see if you're wrong. So let's start again and do it right this time. Let's retry it to get the right answer this time. And when we retry it, 811 minus 525 would actually be 286. Because the mistake we did earlier was we had 11 here, we had a 10 here, but this was supposed to be 8, not what we got, not a 9. This was supposed to be 7. So it would be 286, but that was just a quick tip to add your in number back to this number to see if you got it right. Let's look at number 1, 521 times 16. 6, 2 times 6, 12. Put the 1 there. 5 times 6, 30. 30 plus 1, 31. Add a 0 as a placeholder and move on to the second digit. 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 1, 2. And 5 times 1, 5. Now we can add it all together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 2 is also 3. And then 3 plus 5 is 8. So 521 times 16 is 8,336. And if we look at number 2, we can use this trick again. So we have a 0, so we can cross that out for now, and we know 485 times 1 is 485, and then we can always add back that 0. So we get 4,850. This is order of operations, so let's look at number 1. So we always solve the things in the parentheses first, so we can start on either side. So let's start here, and it's PEMDAS, so first parentheses, then exponents, we don't have any here, then multiplication and division. So we're going to solve this first. So this turns into 9 plus 9. So we keep that there, and we solve the division here, 10 divided by 2, so that turns into 5 minus 1. That then, if we simplify it, turns into 18 minus 4, which is 14. Let's try another one. So parentheses first, so this will be 3. So it'd be 13 times 7 times 3 plus 103. So we start with multiplication first from the left. So that's 91. And then we have times 3. So 91 times 3 is 273. So we can change this to 273 plus 103, and 273 plus 103 is 376. Okay, let's read the first one. In Annette's neighborhood, there are 14 houses on Lakebrook Street. 6 of those houses have 2 cars parked in the garage, and the remaining houses have 3 cars each. How many cars are parked on Lakebrook Street in all? So we know there are 14 houses, and 6 of those houses have 2 cars. So we can multiply 6 times 2 to find out how many those 6 garages have cars parked in total, which is 12. So 6 of them have 12 cars parked in each garage, 12 cars parked in total, and then we know the rest has 3 cars. So we know we have 14 houses. We already know how much 6 of the houses have. So what's left? 8 houses, and the 8 houses have 3 cars in each garage. So 8 times 3 is 24. So we can add 12 plus 24, which results in 36. So 36, and then cars parked on Lakebrook Street in total. Let's look at number 2. An average person can eat 5 slices of pizza per day. How many slices of pizza could a person eat in 12 days? So we know that 5 slices of pizza per day, but we want to find out how many slices. So we're going to put X because we don't know, in 12 days. So to do this, we can go down here where I have more space. We have to cross multiply. So like this. Cross multiply. So we're going to have 1 times X equals 5 times 12. Divide both sides by 1, so this cancels out and we're left with just nothing there. Divide this by 1, which is equal to just simply 60. So we know that a person could eat 60 slices of pizza in 12 days.